Welcome back to the YouTube platform of Titanium Education. My name is Shivraj Singh and I am part of Titanium English class. Today I will explain you the different use of draw which you probably don't know. So please stick to this video till the end and hope you will definitely learn the different use of draw. The first use of draw, to do a picture or diagram of something with a pencil and pen etc but not by a paint. It's mean in Hindi पेंट को छोड़कर पेंसिल पेन इत्यादि से किसी का चित्र या आरेख बनाना. एग्जाम्पल, आई एम गुड एट पेंटिंग बट आई कांट ड्रॉ. द सेकेंड यूज ऑफ ड्रॉ, टू मूव इन द डायरेक्शन मेंशन्ड. इट्स मीन इन हिंदी निर्दिष्ट दिशा में आगे या समीप बढ़ना या आना. एग्जाम्पल, आई बिकेम मोर एंशियस एज माई एग्जाम ड्रू नियरर एंड द ट्रेन ड्रू इनटू द स्टेशन. The third use of draw, to pull something, somebody into a new position or direction mentioned. It's mean in Hindi किसी वस्तु को खींचकर नई स्थिति या दिशा में लाना या निकालना. Example, she drew the letter out of her pocket and handed it to me. And second, to draw, open or close the curtains. The fourth use of draw, to learn or decide something as a result of a study, research or experience. It's mean in Hindi अध्ययन के फलस्वरूप कोई नई बात जानना या निर्णय पर पहुंचना. Example, can we draw any conclusion from his survey? And there are important lessons to be drawn from this tragedy. The fifth use of draw, to get or take something from somebody. It's a mean in Hindi किसी से कुछ पाना या लेना. Example, he draws the inspiration for his story from his family. The sixth use of draw, to make somebody react to or be interested in somebody or something. It's a mean in Hindi प्रतिक्रिया स्वरूप कुछ प्राप्त करना या आकृष्ट करना. Example, the advertisement has drawn criticism from people all over the country. The second example, the musician drew quite a large crowd. The seventh use of draw, to finish a game, competition etc with equal score so that neither person or team wins. It's mean in Hindi किसी प्रतियोगिता में प्रतियोगियों का बराबरी से छूटना या अंक लाना. Example, the two teams drew and the match was drawn. Thank you for watching this video, and if you really like my efforts, please give your review in the comment section box, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and press bell icon the button for more videos.